Jake. I don't feel well today.
What's wrong, Emma?
I have a headache and my throat hurts.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very hot.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
It's 101 degrees. You have a fever.
I don't think I can go to work today.
Don't worry. Your health is more important.
What should I do?
Let's visit the doctor.
Yes, that's a good idea. Do you think it's serious?
I don't think so. The doctor will help you.
I hope I feel better soon.
I'm sure you will.
There are many people here.
Yes, but our turn will come soon.
I feel sleepy.
You can rest your head on my shoulder.
Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
What brings you here today?
I have a fever, a sore throat, and a headache.
How long have you felt sick?
Since last night.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Now, take a deep breath.
All right.
I'm going to listen to your lungs.
Okay.
Everything sounds fine.
Is it serious?
No. It looks like a common viral infection.
That's good to hear.
Drink plenty of water. Get lots of rest. Take this medicine twice a day, after meals.
I understand.
How many days will it take to recover?
You should feel better in 3 or 4 days.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Let's buy the medicine.
Okay.
Here is the prescription.
Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
You should rest now.
Yes. I already feel less worried.
I'll make some hot soup.
That sounds wonderful.
And don't forget to drink water.
I won't.
You'll be healthy again, very soon.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Always.
I'm lucky to have you.
And I'm lucky to have you too.